up, beautifuls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or of course welcome if you are new. If you are new, then my name is Finn, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing another eyeshadow palette. If you are new here, you won't have seen, but I'll pop a picture here. My boyfriend very kindly, and I don't know, he just got me so much eyeshadow palettes, where's my grammar? He got me so many eyeshadow palettes for Christmas, and I cannot wait to dive in and start reviewing them and having a look. I've already done my base, as you can see. I'll pop everything I've used in the description box down below. This is actually a mixture of two foundations mixed together, and I am not mad. I really like this. I feel very glowy but very full coverage. So the eyeshadow palette we're going to be reviewing today is the I Heart Revolution Caramel Nudes, which is a standard chocolate bar palette. It's got the 3D at the top. I absolutely love the packaging of these. Until Christmas, I've never owned the chocolate palettes in the box. I've always bought them in like a set. But the actual packaging is stunning, and I love, like, you can stack them and the names are all on the side. That was a bit of a deviant, but yeah, I love it. So let's have an open. So that is the packaging on the front. It looks like a standard nude kind of bar, to be honest. You've got the nude beige, you've got the standard brown, like, it's all very much standard. But I love it. I absolutely love chocolate bars, seriously. And then on the inside, let's have an open. Oh, I thought this was going to be like a boring palette. It's not. It's so pretty. So this is the colour story on the inside. It is nude, but it's a bit more than nude. You have some gorgeous, like, red tones. You've got that caramel colour. It's absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to try this. If you're not new to I Heart Revolution, you'll know that their palettes generally have a smell, like they scent them all up. It smells gorgeous. This one smells like a chocolate palette. I'm not sure if it smells of caramel, but it does smell of a chocolate palette, so yeah. I'm going to be creating a soft glam nude look with that, and if that is something that interests you, then please keep on watching. I am going to put on a tiny little bit of eye primer, just because, you know, why not? Also, thought I'd let you guys know, I finally found a pair of eyelashes that I like. They're actually from Primark. I'll see if I can find the name or the picture, I'll pop it here. But they look amazing when they're on, so I might put them on today. Brown and orange. Oh yeah, let's go for that. Brown and orange, it'll go with the hair. So I'm going to be taking this shade Dream here, which is this nudie colour. They're all kind of nudie colours. And I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. Bring it up to your brow bone. Nice little bit of pigment, I quite like that. That's very pretty. So my kind of plan for today is, obviously I'm going grocery shopping, but I still want to look cute. So I'm going to go for a brown and orange crease colour, darken up the outer, cut the crease and put a little bit of shimmer in it. That's what I fancy doing. So I'm going to be taking the shade, let's build it up with the shade Fudge, which is this beautiful deep brown colour here. A little bit of kickback, not that bad, but there is a little bit. To be fair though, that normally means it's going to be nice and pigmented. Very rich brown colour. That is incredibly deep for a brown. I like that a lot. Blend that out a little bit. I have got a little bit of fallout on my cheek. It's not bad, but there is a little bit there. I'm now going to build up that corner, the depth of it, and I really want to go in. You guys know me, I love purple, so I really want to take this purpley tone here in the shade Simmer. And I'm just going to build up the outer corner. I thought it looks darker than the first colour Fudge in the pan, but it's not actually on the face, so I might go in with that shade Coffee instead, which is a really nice, like, blue brown. It's very pretty. And this is definitely going to be a palette you're going to want to use before you do your base, so I will clean up my under eye later, but let's just carry on for now. You can see the fallout. The fallout's not great, but then again, what did I expect? Because I did all my base first, so I do need to clean that up, and I will do that. I'm going to go in with a clean detailer brush. I love detailer brushes, I just find that they work so much better. And I want to pack in a little bit of the burnt sugar in my crease. So this nice orange colour here, and I want to blend it up and out to my brow bone with this orange here as well. That is very pigmented. And now I'm going to take that cream or dream. What should I do? Cream or dream? Let's take a bit of both and blend it up and out towards my brow bone. I'm just going to clean up the under eye and cut that crease really quickly, and I'll be right back. Right guys, I'm back. I fixed the under eye with just a little bit of concealer, nothing special, blended out of my beauty blender, and I have cut the crease. I only cut the crease, what was that? I've only cut the crease with the Poundland concealer because I absolutely love that stuff for crease cuts. But, thoughts, that brown and that orange blend together really, really well, do you not think? That looks so like seamlessly blended. I mean, especially for me, because I'm not great at blending, but yeah, I really like that. We now need to go over that with some colour. And I don't know what one I want to go over with. Do I want to go over with a couple? Do I want to just... I don't know, should we swatch some of them? Let's swatch. Oh, that one's so pretty. I just love a shimmer. I don't know what... Oh. Here's the first one, which, yeah, very, very nice. That was not a good swatch, Finn. It's pretty, buildable. I'm really, really excited for this purpley one. Oh, yeah. Then we've got... That gold is amazing. It's maybe not what I'm going for today, but that is brilliant. Orange, look at that. And then we've got this one as well, which is another gold tone, but it's a bit warmer. So, yeah, a little bit darker gold. Oh, I don't know what I want. I actually don't know. I'm going to actually try and attempt to do a kind of halo eye, but I'm going to do the halo eye with just shimmers, which is a bit different to anything I've done before, so we're going to do that. I want to go with glace on the inner and the outer corner, and then for the middle I will suss that out in a second. First things first, does it work with a brush? Because we all know, guys, shimmers tend to not like brushes. They are not friends. Oh, it works with a brush. That works with a brush. Hello. Oh, do you know what? I'm going to go in with a bit of that caramello. Very, very nice, pinky toned brown. I might have to go in with a different colour actually, because that is not building up very, very well. The middle colour's not building up amazingly. Let's try and go over with, let's try Caramel Days. It looks the same, just a little bit. Oh, hello, that's so much better. Yeah, we'll use this. I'm quite happy with that. It looks a bit different. You know, it's nude, but it's not like boring. Does that make sense? It's nude, but it's not boring. So, let's take my detailer brush and go on my lower lash line. I'm going to take Sweet Treat, which is this lighty brown. Pop that on my lower lash, and then I'm going to blend it out with one of those lighter orange colours. That is a very, very nice colour. I like that. And then take a little bit of cream and just blend that back out under. Very lastly for this palette, before I go away and I do the other eye, I'm going to take that shade Glace again, which it is such a pretty colour. So this silvery kind of shimmer, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner and on my brow bone to sort of act as a highlight, because I think, yeah, that's a really, really pretty highlight shade. Yeah, I absolutely love that. I absolutely love that. Some of that on my brow bone. Right, now that's done, I'm going to go away. I'm going to do this eye, pop some mascara on and some lashes, and I'll get back to you for a final look. I will see you guys very, very shortly. And there we have it, beautifuls. This is the final look created using the I Heart Revolution Caramel Nudes palette. I absolutely really, really like that, especially for a nudes palette. And if you're not new here and you've been here for a little while, you'll know that I don't really dive into nudes a lot. Mainly because I find nudes boring, but that is not boring. Like, I feel like that is definitely soft glam, like a little bit glowy, a little bit dewy, but it's not over the top, and I love it. So I'm going to go to Asda looking like this, and I really, really like that. Let's zoom you in quick. So that's what we have. It's purpley, it's orange, a bit of a cut crease, a bit of a halo eyes, a bit of everything going on at once, but I just really like it. So guys, that is the end of today's YouTube video. If you also like the Caramel Nudes palette, then hit that like button down below, and if you want me to do some more nude stuff, let me know either on here or on Instagram. I'll do some more nudie kind of material. Really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are new here and you haven't yet done so, maybe consider subscribing. I'm on the way to 1500 and I'd really appreciate it. Stay safe guys, stay happy, stay smiling, and I cannot wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.